see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Ito pala yung dinner tonight. Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon na pork chop na sabi ko lulutuin ko tonight. Ayan, yan yung dinner nila. And kay John, chops and broccoli. And yung kids may broccoli din. Mag-ingay. Tapos ito yung Filipino style gravy. So yan yung dinner. So yan lang. Thursday. Good morning guys. Si Sak, hindi ngayon papasok ngayong Thursday kasi punta siya ng Adelaide for your
Shoulder.
collarbone.
Under.
Yeah, under the collarbone para i-check na physiology, right? Saki boy. So sila lang ni Jan ang pupunta ng Adelaide. Balikan silang dalawa. Si Daddy nagre-ready na rin. So si Kuya at saka si Oli lang papasok today. So yun, in-update ko lang kayo. But today is much better, right, Zach? Way better than Sunday. Yeah? Let me see. No, it's not painful. What?
No.
It's not? So, but it's still like uncomfortable? Sometimes. So, kaya nagpa-book si John. So, kaya ngayong Thursday sila pupunta. Ngayon yung schedule niya mamaya. Ayan si Johnny boy. I like your jumper. Good luck,
So you're
like.
not wearing them shorts?
Yeah, wear pants, Zach.
Not wearing them shorts?
Oh, they're not sure.
Oh, what are they?
Wala pa kasi siyang wala pa siyang pababa.
Just made it up.
Oh, may laro si... What time is the check? 2 o'clock. You're going to Harbour Town? Oh, lucky. Bukas pa pala sila uwi kasi hapon yung napabook ni
I'll
Jan.
go get the car.
Alright. See ya, I love you. See ya, I love you.
See you, Walter.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you, Zeki boy. I will miss you, Zach. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Tomorrow, okay? Hi, Zach. I thought you were staying one night. No, umuwi na sila. 10:45. Akala ko, sabi kasi ni Jem magstay sila, pero hindi naman. Manunod kami ng laro ni Kuya kasi ngayon yung laro niya.
Oh, just did it.
Iba-ibang schedule ng ni Kuya.
Yeah.
Ang game nila. Minsan Saturday morning, minsan Friday, minsan Thursday. Ngayon, is it Thursday? What did I say? Thursday?
Yeah.
Friday na pala guys. Sorry. Kahapon, hindi pa umalis si Jan, tsaka si Zach, pumunta sila ng Adelaide para sa check-up ni Zach sa kanyang collarbone and ribs under the collarbone. And everything's good, right, Saki?
Yep.
Are you good to go to play?
Yep.
Saturday. Pero hindi siya naglaro or is it fog? Hindi siya after nung nangyari sa kanya nung Sunday, hindi siya nag-training and hindi rin siya naglaro sa grand finals sa school ng football. And 2 training, hindi si Sak talaga nag-train. So, pinaras lang namin. Tapos kahapon, yan nga, pumunta na ng Adelaide para i-check ulit siya kung okay na siya ba. Kasi sabi ni Sak, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam niya. So, yeah, all good. So, pwede siya maglaro bukas. So, ngayon, makakapanood kami ng game ni Kuya. Good luck yan.
Thank you.
I said good luck. Ano yung fog?
So that boy every freaking time.
What?
That dude, that kid that walked home.
Yeah, tingnan nyo, grabe yung fog. Paano makikita ang bola, Kuya? Lalaro sila ganito. Weather. Walang ulan pero very foggy and super cold. Oh my God, what the fuck? Oh no. Yeah, it's too foggy. We cannot see you there, Kuya, if you're gonna play. Look. You can even see the other trees.
It's not that bad.
Dito si Kuya maglalaro sa South sila ngayon.
Can't see.
Oh my
Shit,
God. Look. Yeah.
This is where you parking, Dad?
Yeah.
Straight in, mate.
That's right. So we don't have to go out. Ayun na si Kuya. Good luck! Tingnan niyo yung fog. Baka mama hindi namin makita si Kuya. In 30 minutes pa.
Why is it green on the phone then?
I don't know. Nag-start na pero wala kami makita. Lumabas na yung tatlong bata kasi baka daw much better pero wala pa din. Ayan, nakakik si Kuya eh. Diba? Assume si Jan. Guys, wala kaming makita. Yung mga bata, nandito sila sa loob kasi nga sobrang lamig. Lumabas sila kasi baka raw much better pero parang ganun pa din. And si Kuya nakakik. Parang yung ano nila, jersey nila, pare-pareho lang ang kulay. Hindi mo na ma-identify. Hindi mo na alam kung sino, which is which. Hindi na natin alam kung alin yung team ni Kuya, alin yung kanilang kalaban. Kasi nga, tingnan mo. Lahat sila parang pare-pareho lang yung jersey. O, di ba? Nawala na sila. O, di ba? Good luck sa nag-score. At saka sa mga umpire. Ayan, lumapit sila. Ayan. Sila Kuya yung red. Black and red. Yung white yung kalaban nila. Tapos yung pinsan ni Kuya, yung second cousin niya, kalaban niya, yung number 4. Ayan, magkano sila ngayon. Pero, magka-team naman sila sa ibang football. I know, it's cold. Tara. Ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Yes, holy done. Diba si Sak nakahuli din sila. Leading sila Kuya. Ano na sila, 2 goals and 5 points. Sa kabila wala pa kahit points. Okay.
I heard TJ go,
Ha?
they never.
Okay.
Kick the goal.
Hindi namin alam kung sino nakakik ng goal kasi hindi namin makita andun yung poles pero wala. Hindi namin makita pero sila Kuya naka-goal.
Hey, Dad.
Naka-goal si Kuya pero hindi natin makita. Naririnig lang namin yung pangalan. Well done, teacher.
We have. Mate, I didn't play on him, Holly.
Pumasok na ako dito sa loob ng car kasi di ko na kinaya yung lamig. Sumakit na yung ulo ko sa lamig at yung ilong ko parang barado na. Ewan ko dyan sa mga players na yan kung nilalamig. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala, hindi nyo pala makita. Doon sila Parang mga anino lang sila. Naririnig lang namin yung mga pangalan kasi sinisigaw nila. Yan. Third quarter na to. Sila Kuya ang leading. Pasok na rin sila. Hindi na din nila kinaya yung lamig. Si Jan doon kay Dean. Nandito pala si Dean tsaka si Brock. Ano din sila.
Whose room? This.
Naglalaro sila. Nandun sila sa kabila. Hindi namin makita. Diba? Hinihintay na lang talagang matapos yung quarter. Hindi na namin makita yung score. Even the score you cannot even see here. From your yeah.
I
There.
can.
Yeah. Ayan.
63 to 19.
19. 63. 63 sila Kuya sa kalaban 19. Tapos na guys, panalo sila Kuya. Kaya dyan yung team ni Kuya, tsaka yung kalaban nila.
What were they celebrating like?
Huh?
What were they celebrating like?
Finally, ayan na si Kuya. You hear that, Zach? Where's Zach?
4 points, 4 goals.
Yes. Asa na Kuya?
Wait, when we all going, tell them like, because they are celebrating. It's like, yeah. What is your celly yarn?
Okay.
Yarn. Come on!
Okay. How many
Mate,
goals,
It
Kuya?
looked like you kicked it from 50 when it was from like 30.
4
The
goal.
first goal you kicked.
Looked like it
Who was that
unheld.
dude
Your
that
first
got
goal,
slammed to
Kuya?
the ground?
Yeah, who got slammed?
Where?
On the
By
ground.
Cooper.
Oh, Judd.
Yeah. Was he good?
Nah, Judd got winded.
Thought it was you.
Yeah, because you have the same body.
Yeah, you kicked the left.
4 goals and 4
Yeah.
points, Kuya.
Yeah.
Well
You
done.
couldn't see nothing
I
wrong.
know.
Yeah, my eyes went all weird and.
Tapos, panalo sila.
Yeah, last one.
Kuya, Cooper, they're in the top ladder, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
They had a
Where
few
you
out, didn't they, TJ?
One.
O, yung kalaban nila, one of the best. No, sila yung top. Pero na...
Nice.
I know, nice and
Bro, that
mahal.
shower was good.
Were you using the ladder?
McDonald's kami, guys, for dinner.
Still?
Down into the meat and everything.
Nah.
No, we couldn't see.
nothing, TJ.
Dito kayo sa
He
isang
said, I reckon I'm
McDonald's.
going forward now.
Well, I reckon.
Dalawa sa
Yeah.
McDonald's
Coming
dito
up-
sa
I'm
amin.
coming up in the Coleman.
Ito yung bago. Well, hindi na bago. Ilang taon na to dito.
Reckon
Pero mas
it's
bago
coming up
compared
in
doon
the
sa lagi
Coleman.
namin pinupuntahan.
Keep forward and
Kaya na kami,
What,
guys. See you next time. It looks nice dito sa loob ng McDonald's nila, oh. Kakaiba ang ano nila, yung table, chairs, compared doon sa usual na McDonald's pinupunta na. Hot chocolate yung kinuha ko instead of soft drinks. Burger tayo tonight. Tayo na kami. Yeah. Zach, who's that one asking for Kuya? May nag-work dito. Ang sabi guys, where's Kuya? Kuya talaga yung tawag kay TJ. Ayan. Ito na. Kain na kami guys. Ito yung akin. Chili cheese. Thank you. Tapos na kayo kumain. Alright, see you tomorrow, guys. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Kongrong kami today. And ito yung pinakamaagang laro ni Holly. Usually kasi 10 o'clock ang start niya. But today mag-start yung game niya 9 o'clock. So, she need to be there 8:30. Time is 8. Punta lang muna kami sa farm kasi naiwan ni Jan yung kanyang phone dito nung finid niya yung horse. And si Zach may go signal na sa kanyang physiology na pwede din siya maglaro. Kala namin 2 weeks siya hindi pwede maglaro. Kasi nga sobrang masakit yung kay sakit. Tapos naiyak siya talaga. Tapos pag pinipress nung Sunday sa Allendale, kasi naiiyak siya. And sinagaan namin ng ice and rest na walang training the whole week. And hindi rin namin siya pinalaro sa school ng grand final ng football sa school. Tapos yun yung Thursday. Pumunta na sila ng, no, Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Thursday. Oh no, Wednesday. When did you go to Adelaide? Thursday. Kasi Wednesday siya nagpa-book. So yun guys, yung update. And si Kuya, nanalo sila. And yun nga, yung nakalaban nila is top on the ladder. First, but Kuya? Yeah. Nagnod lang siya. Then sila Kuya. How about you, Kuya? Ha? 7 sila Kuya. 7 on the ladder. Tapos na talo nila yung pinaka-top. Paano kaya yun nangyari, no? Dahil siguro sa weather, hindi. Magagaling yan, tsaka malalaki. Where did you? Sa car niya lang. Yung working car niya na iwan niya yung phone. Alright guys. And tingnan niyo yung weather. Same as last night. Foggy. And yung aming puno ay surviving. Yung iba wala ng dahon. Dito na kami. You will.
I reckon.
Yes.
Oh, head up.
Whatever. Come on. Okay kasi ng car mo. Bayad lang tayo. Yeah, it's clearing. Not like last night for Kuya. And kagabi, di ba naglaro si Kuya? Yun yung sana yung first time na mapapanood ko si Kuya the whole game. Wala tayong makita. Suot ko tong puffer jacket kasi ang lamig sa labas. Maglalaro na si Holly. Hindi ko pa talaga nakikita si Kuya maglaro the whole game. Binigyan na tayo ng pagkakataong kagabi. Kaso naman yung panahon, hindi nakasama. Okay guys. Okay. Ready na tayo sa lamig. Oh. May pera yung bulsa. Alright. See you later guys. Tangan ko ng aking baby girl. Just in case what are the expectations of today?
Chase it! Hands! Get it back! Hands! Haley, Holly!
Keep running, Danny.
Chase it!
What up, Chels?
Go Holly!
Eat, Maya! Eat! Ellie! Yeah, look in! Have fun! Ellie, behind! Oh!
Danny, what's your fault?
Okay, get ready! Go, Danny! Chase it! Up, Chels! Up! Hands! Pick him up! Pressure! Yes, Chels! You're all there! Good job, Ellie! Spread out! Good girl! That's it! That's the girl! Ellie's fighting! And now she's out. Come on, the little...
Well done.
In! Maya's in Maya! Good girl!
Good job Holly. Oh, poor kid.
Hold on, Pip.
Oh!
Hold on, Pip.
You're right. Oh!
Good job! Under, Holly, under!
Yes! Go Elle! Good job.
Off you go, Ellie. Shoot it up. Oh,
Try Holly.
shoot it up, Holly. You can do it.
Oh!
Up and in. No, Holly, don't step in.
Tapos na pala si Holly. Panalo sila Holly by 2 goals. And dito naman tayo kay Shaq. Ayan si Shaq. And si Jan, umpire. Andun si Jan, goaler siya doon. Ayun. May Kuya.
Struggle to find one person that does.
Oh, yes.
Sobrang lamig. As in, yung kamay ko nanginginig na sa lamig. Sobrang lamig. Yung kamay ko naninigas na sa lamig.
Same way, love, the take off the red
last 3 players, and that's it. And that's why they'll be beaten. All right, all 20 of us done our job. But best on ground, I threw him into the.
Kuya catching up sa kanyang friends. Siya, Kuya, magpapaiwan daw siya kami. Uwi na kami. Yan yung katim niya pag dito siya maglaro. So, sasabay na lang siya pa uwi sa kanila. What na? Congratulations!
Thanks. So you wanted water?
One of best players siya. Pero hindi you didn't do much, Sak. Like, you don't go.
Bad.
Yeah. Ano, medyo ingat siya maglaro ngayon kasi feeling ko hindi pa siya ganun 100%. But do you feel better, Sak? Saki? You feel better? Like you're
Sore today.
sore today. Oh my God, maybe you shouldn't play.
No, actually.
You're right? Okay. And you don't have training, that's why you're...
Right, so
Siya, nakasuot niya na yung jeans niya.
Alex, I smoking, remember?
no, Dad.
Pick it back down.
2:58 na, ano, mag-alas 3 na pala, 2:59. Uwi na kami, hindi na namin tapusin yung last game na to eh. Kaso nasa first or second quarter pa lang sila, may dalawa pang quarter bago matapos yung A grade. Si Kuya, paiwan siya, sasama na lang siya sa kaibigan niya. I-drop off na lang siya sa bahay.
Don't fall off and fall
Yeah. And bumili ako ng ano kanina, chicken steak. Ano, medyo pinky. Kaya hindi ko kinain. Medyo ano pa yung manok, parang pink pa siya. Alright guys, see you next time. Halos panalo lahat ng ano, laro namin. From SAC and then under 17, B grade, and sa netball ganun din. Yan na guys. Bye! Good afternoon guys. Kada-drop up pa lang kay Holly dito sa dance class niya. Ngayon naman, habang nasa dance class siya, mag-grocery ako kasi wala na tayong pang snack sa mga bata. And kuha rin ako ng chicken. And yeah, basta mag-grocery tayo. Yung dance kasi ni Holly is 1.5 hours siya dito. So, para hindi masayang oras. Dala ko sana yung aking laptop. Mag-edit sana ako. And hintayin ko si Holly and sabay ka mag-grocery. Pero baka kagabihin na kami. So sabi ko, ako na lang mag-grocery. Huwag na muna ako mag-edit. Huwag na muna tayo mag-edit. So 5:30 siya lalabas. So by the time yan, tapos na ako niya mag-grocery. So para diretso na kami uwi. Then yung dinner namin tonight is peri-peri chicken pag may available sa Coles. Pag wala, yung regular chicken. Okay, may car ba sa likod?
Thursday, and is now.
Alright, see you sa Coles guys. Kasi baka matumbo kayo. Guys, dito na ako sa car park sa Coles. Ay nako, nakalimutan ko yung wallet. Ngayon, para tayo mag-grocery na walang pangbayad. So ngayon, tanong ko si ChatGPT kung paano ko i-connect yung bank account ko. Di ba nauuso yung, ayaw ko yung gawin yung sa phone. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano. So, wait lang. Tanungin ko si ChatGPT paano to. Kasi wala kaming dinner. Hindi ako nagluto kasi sabi ko mag-chicken kami. Ako na talaga. Bakit ko na? Nasa bag ko kasi. Wala yung bag ko dito. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Ako na talaga. Wala. Ay, first time ko talaga itong gagawin. Okay. Diba, nasayang na yung ilang minuto natin dito para i-connect lang yung card ko dito sa Apple Pay. Ako. Apple Wallet. Alright. Okay na guys. First time ko itong gagawin. Hopefully, maging okay. See you. Tapos na tayo. Yan na yung mga nakuha ko. Okay, tapos na ako guys. Kain na kami guys. And si Jan tsaka si Sak. Kukuha na nila yung mga pinamili natin. Yes, I have potato salad, macaroni salad, chicken, coleslaw. Alright. And get the water. Wala na, ubos na yung water. And kanina, sa cashier, kinakabahan ako kasi nga, first time kong gamitin yung ating pay ID ba yun? Tama ba? First time kong gamitin yun. Buti naman nag-work. Alright, Si Holly, ang kainin niya yung leftover na spaghetti. Kasi kagabi na hindi ako araw-araw nag-vlog, but kahapon, dinner namin yung spaghetti. Alright.
You don't serve me chips.
Chips? What? So many chips. Now you're complaining.
No, I said you got so many. That doesn't mean I said, oh my god, why did you get so many?
Well, I don't want you to be hungry. Alright. Ito yung hindi ko masyadong paboritong gawin ay mag-put away.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry now?
Yeah.
I got your dessert here too, huh? Okay, plates.
Well, yeah, that one.
Sorry now.
Oh, my food.
Well, yeah, that one. You want chicken?
Where's the chicken? Nawawala pa yung chicken.
Honey, this mom.
Who ate spaghetti? Kuya? Zachary. Si Zach kumain ng spaghetti so hindi siya gutom. So who's hungry? Just you, Han? Okay. How about you, Ya? Kuya?
You want noodles?
We're nag-crave ng noodles.
Yeah, you want noodles?
You want noodles, Kuya? Sumakit yung ulo ko. Na.
Okay, sure. Yeah, yes or not?
Here, honey, oh, come on. No, that's the one.
Okay.
Later na siguro si Kuya.
That's better.
You want this macaroni salad to have?
Macaroni, yeah. Macaroni.
Shut up. The food is on triple N.
You get FAMILYVLOG?
You get tomato sauce, ma'am?
Yes,
Did you get veg?
I do have Vegemite. Si Kuya umuubo. Here, hon. Is this enough?
Why is it spicy?
Oh, because I put
Grab them off.
chili flakes. Oh, yun na nakalimutan mo, chili flakes.
Is that spicy, Mum?
Is this the one you want?
Yeah. Is that spicy?
No. This is the... Don't show yourself because you have no clothes.
Mom. Mom. I want one too.
Maybe you need to let him have a shower.
Okay, later na
Not
lang.
trying.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put away. Because I have money.
Yeah.
Dad.
I have a lot to put away
I
here.
might try.
Oh, just go have a shower.
Go have a shower now, Kuya.
I want two, Mum, please.
Just one for now because you might not finish it.
I will.
I might not finish mine.
I will, Mum.
Hey, Mom, so that's a good
Wala lang chicken. Si Jen ayaw ng chicken.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. And ayan, binilang ko sila ng of course, yogurt. Right, Jen. This one, Han. Your dessert.
Yes! It's moo. Moo.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ayaw ko yung laging binibili kasi nga si Jen nakakadalawa every time, every night.
Yeah, every.
So minsan, alternate, hindi ko siya bibilhan ngayon. Ngayon binilang ko next grocery, hindi ko siya bibilhan.
Mom, I didn't get homework today.
You don't have homework today?
Not homework today. I think she forgot about it. But I think she's giving it us.
Oil. Ito yung ginagamit kong oil.
Oh, my mom. Mom, my mouth is still on fire because of. There was that many flames.
Baba, help me now, please.
Okie dokie.
Put all your snacks in there.
Not that one, later. Yes!
Go and put all this now in there.
I love these, Mom.
Put all your snacks there. Eto, bukas ko na sila ilalagay sa... Kasi sineseparate ko pa yung iba dyan. Kasi hindi naman makakain lahat. So parang dinidivide-divide ko ba. So bukas ko ito gagawin. Babakin niyo okay the fish to mommy please. Kanina hindi na masyado nakapag-vlog kasi nagmamadali ako kasi nga ito pipick upin ko ito. Nag-alarm pa nga ako sa akin. Phone. Wala sila yung 18 pieces na eggs. Ito lang meron. Yung 1 dozen. What? Merong dashi ako. Nagano pa akong dashi. Gusto ko yung made from Japan. Wala. Ang meron dashi made from China. Kasi nga, minsan gumagawa ko ng Japanese soup or kaya, yeah, anything na ano din, for Japan. Masarap din kasi yung iba nilang recipe. Okay. So, bilhin ko ni Kuya. Gusto niyo ko yung Milo. More snacks, more snacks.
More snacks, just cakes.
Ayaw na ng mga bata yung may packet nito, yung maliliit lang. Ayaw nila. Gusto nila ganito
I
lang.
like in the box.
Ha? The box? Oh. Ayaw na nila. Kasi meron na maliit
I
lang.
meant the packet.
Ah, you like the...
Yeah.
No, TJ and Kuya sucks daw.
I do. Because then you have to pack them in ziploc bags.
No, they want snacks here for the house.
Oh, for the bag. These are like
Fruits.
Mom, I want you to get roll-ups now. I haven't had them in
Berries.
Oh, Mom. Oh, yeah, real. Oh, yes, you actually got cereal. Is this the last one? Because I'm not adding Hey guys, so our school snacks are loaded. Thank you, Mom, for the snack. Yes, you got cucumber too. Mom, I want you to get.
Give this to Daddy. I know. Ayoko na dito sa...
I want to get mini cucumbers. Aliens running around.
Put that one in the...
On top of the thing. I'm having that in the morning at yogurt before I brush my teeth.
Mama, really fly.
It's la. What was the question? It's that
Ang
good.
tamis ng cherry. Last week kumuha rin ako nito. Dalawa. Naubos na kasi. Kaya kumuha rin ako. Baba din some kiss. Oh. Alright guys, ito na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you.
It's they all say. They all say.
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night guys. Kasi ayusin ko pa yung mga fruits. Good night guys. Bye.
If I could be a paradise.